we are given that n permutation 3 is equals to what? 24. If it is C that is here, you now say n combination what? 3. Since it's P, this is permutation question. So we say that what? N permutation 3 is equals to what? 24. So we know that is the same thing as what? N factorial over what? N minus R factorial. Which is going to give us what? 24. So n open bracket, since this place is 3, we are going to expand this into 3 times n minus 1, open bracket what? N minus 2, open bracket what? N minus 3 factorial equals to what? 24. While this side we are going to have all over what? N minus 3. Remember that our n is equal to n, okay? The n is this n that is given, while our r is equals to what? 3. That's why you are seeing what? N minus 3. So now you can see that this factorial side will cancel factorial side. Now we are left with what? N open bracket n minus 1 and what? N minus 2 is equals to what? 23. Now we can decide to expand this thing and it's going to look a cubic equation. Remember that the value of n cannot be more than 1. So now we are going to use what? Try and error method to get the value of n. Remember that our n cannot be 1 because if n is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. It will render everything to be 0. And our n cannot be 2. If n is equal to 2, we have 2 minus 2. It will render everything to be 0. So the value of n is going to start from 3, from 4, let's test, from 5. Let's say when n is equal to 3, we're going to have 3 into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 is equal to 24. Now, we have 3. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. 2 times 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1, so this one is going to give us 6. And 6 is now equals to what? 24. So n cannot be what? 3. Let's say n is equals to 4. So if our n is equals to 4, now we're going to have what? 4 minus 1 and what? 4 minus 2. That's when n is equals to 4. Now we have 3 into 4 minus 1 will give us 3. Okay? Then 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. So at this point we are going to have what? 3 times 2. Remember that this one is 4. Sorry, I'm not sure this is n is equals to 4. N is equals to 4. N is equals to 1. Now 3 times 2 give us 6. Alright? Then 4 times 6 is equals to what? 24. So the value of n is equals to what? 24. The value of n is equals to what?